Hey everyone, so welcome back to our eye care series. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at the different eye defects as a result of technology. So first up, we'll start with the computer vision syndrome. Okay, so as you can see in the diagram, it's also known as digital eye strain or computer vision syndrome. The short form is CVS, and it's caused by prolonged screen use, which leads to eye strain and discomfort. The primary culprits are poor posture, inadequate lighting, and insufficient breaks during screen time. So some symptoms include headaches, blurred vision, dry eyes, as well as neck or shoulder pain. And this can significantly impact productivity and overall well-being. So basically, the consequences of ignoring this can be really severe, and it can lead to chronic eye discomfort. And as a result, this can reduce work efficiency, and it can also lead to long term vision problems. However, simple solutions exist, and we will be looking at this in the video ahead. So you must follow the 20-20-20 rule. Now, I'm sure this is something very common you must have heard from your optician or ophthalmologist. Now, what this basically means is that every 20 minutes, you look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. And that's why it's called 20-20-20. So the first 20 represents every 20 minutes. Okay, and the second 20 is about looking at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. So you need to ensure proper lighting, you need to adjust your screen brightness, and you need to maintain an ergonomic setup. Now, lastly, you must stay hydrated and also consider using blue light filters or anti-glare glasses. Okay, now looking at our second eye defect, this is myopia. So, myopia is also known as nearsightedness. So, people with myopia, they can see close objects clearly, but they have trouble with distant vision. So, in normal vision, the light rays focus directly on the retina, and this results in clear vision. Okay, so as you can see in the diagram on the left. So, the focal point is at the normal position. However, in myopia, what happens is that the eyeball becomes elongated. Now, this causes the light rays to focus in front of the retina, and this leads to blurred vision when viewing distant objects. So, as you can see in the diagram on the right, the focal point is in front of the retina, whereas it should be directly on the retina, right? So that's why it leads to blurred vision because the eyeball becomes elongated. And basically, extended screen time is a major cause of myopia because it can alter the eye shape. And when we focus on screens for prolonged periods, especially at close distances, the eye's axial length may gradually increase. Okay, and this elongation of the eyeball causes the light to focus in front of the retina. So, research suggests that the combination of increased screen use and reduced exposure to natural light, which is more common in outdoor activities, may be significant factors in the rising prevalence of myopia. So, because of reduced outdoor time, it can decrease the amount of natural light exposure, and this, as a result, has been shown to play a protective role against the development of myopia because it stimulates dopamine release in the retina, and this inhibits excessive eye growth. Okay, now we're looking at our third eye defect, which is asthenopia. So, when we're talking about asthenopia, it's commonly known as eye strain, and um, it occurs due to prolonged visual effort, and it's often caused by activities like reading, screen use, or focusing on tracks without adequate breaks. So, poor lighting, uncorrected vision problems, as well as improper viewing distances exacerbate the condition. So, the consequences include discomfort such as headaches, blurred or double vision, dry eyes, and even difficulty concentrating. So, in order to prevent asthenopia, you need to ensure proper lighting, use corrective lenses if needed, and also again follow the 2020 rule. So a key solution ultimately is to optimize your workspace. So you need to ensure screens are positioned at eye level and about an arm's length away. And you need to use adjustable lighting to minimize glare and also reduce brightness contrast. Also, you should blink consciously to prevent dryness and take mini breaks to relax the eyes. So, yeah, we've already looked at this, the fact that it manifests as eye discomfort, fatigue, difficulty focusing, and also headaches.